Hi there, my name's Tom. I'm one of the engineers here at Monita, and today I'm going to quickly take you through what Monita can do and how it can help you with your digital marketing and analytics data. Let's get started. So here I am in the Monita platform. You can see I've got a domain here that I've set up for a demo, and I'm monitoring several vendors: Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Snapchat, Google Analytics. And we support over 1,400 vendors that are in this list, or you can add something completely custom. It's up to you. To install Monita, we support Google Tag Manager, Adobe Launch, Telium, or if you don't use a tag manager, you can just copy this script and put it into the top of your HTML. That's simple. So now that I've installed Monita onto my page and I'm monitoring these vendors, what happens? Let me give you a quick demonstration with this test site. So here we have a form, and when this form fires, say for example, the Facebook tag will send data off to Facebook. At the same time, Monita's technology will piggyback off that data and send the same data to Monita. So when I click Send Message, you can see here the requests being sent to Monita, and the contents of this is the data that would send, for example, to Google Analytics. Now that Monita's received the data, let's go back to the platform. Let's hit Data. And as you can see, Monita's received data for all of these different vendors that we had monitored. So now let's create an alert. I've got an alert here called Facebook Realtime Demo. And this is a data validation alert for the Facebook tag that will send me an alert in real time when the name contains Thomas, and it will send it to my Slack channel. Let's go back and enable that alert. Let's go back to our website and hit Send Message one more time. And if I pull up my Slack window right here, should see almost instantly, Monita's received the data, run the rule, and send a notification to my Slack that says the name contains Thomas. Very straightforward. Now this is a very simple example, but Monita can also alert you when there's been a change in tag volume, when a tag stops firing. We can use custom data validation based on your business logic. We can even use machine learning to identify anomalies in your data, and we can do all of this in real time or on a schedule. It's up to you. So now that we've fired that alert, let's go back to Monita and see how we can triage the issue. So we'll go to the issue screen, go to the issue for the Facebook alert that we set up. And we can see Monita has recorded the number of occurrences of the issue, when it was first seen, when it was last seen, and gives us a list of customers' IDs that this has impacted. Let's click this customer ID. Now we've zoomed into an individual user level, and we can see all of the data that are fired for all of the other tags during this user's journey. And in fact, if we take a look at the data for the Facebook registration tag, you can see the name is Thomas, which is exactly what we set up in our alert. And you can view all of the other historical tag fires that have happened for this user. Now let's take a look at the PII viewer. So in the PII viewer, Monita can list all of the times that PII has been sent off to your tags vendors. So Monita will identify emails, phone numbers, and other types of PII and give you the exact event and variable name that happened on so that you can remedy that through your tags. And Monita also hashes the values and does not store any PII itself. Now let's take a look at auditing. The audit screen here. You can see I've actually got an audit running right now for getmonita.io. And so what an audit does is we deploy a crawler to scrape your website, and we'll take a look at the libraries, network requests, cookies, run a page speed insights test, and generate a report like this one. You can see this audit's just about finished, but we'll take a look at this one. So let's take a look at the libraries loaded first. So you can see Monita has detected and enumerated all of the different accounts for the different vendors that are on this page. So for example, this is my Adobe ID. These are some Google Tag Manager containers. Here's the GA4 account ID, the Metapixel ID, and so on. And it categorizes all the requests by vendor, and you can see a breakdown here and the coverage of each of these vendors across all the pages in the audit. We also generate a network request map like this one. And so you can see all the different vendors and requests that are being made by your page. You can see here's Google Tag Manager loading, for example, Facebook. You can see Facebook is making this call. Facebook is making a call to CloudFront. And we highlight these further down requests to help you spot piggybacking tags and other security issues in the site. Let's close that. We also give you the page speeds insight report, and this can help you diagnose issues with the speed of your site. And we go through the first and third party cookie breakdown and help you spot who's setting cookies on your site. So just as a quick recap, we can audit your website and give you a point in time report. We can monitor your tags and give insights about real user tag data. We can send you alerts in real time about data issues, about changes in volume. We can spot PII issues and other breaches and compliance problems. We can use machine learning to find anomalies in your data. We support any tag manager or no tag manager. We can visualize your data and let you explore it down to the individual user level so you can diagnose and fix issues that affect your marketing and analytics data and ultimately get you a better return on ad spend. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. And if you did, I encourage you to sign up. We offer a free trial for all new users. And if you've got any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you very much.